The Martin Linge oil and gas field is located in the North Sea offshore Norway, close to the border to the UK continental shelf. In 2012, we were awarded the contract to connect the field to the Norwegian onshore power grid, using the world's longest high-voltage cable for alternating current AC by Subsea 7 for the Martin Linge license. Now the project is finalized and the 163-kilometer-long record-breaking cable going out from Kolsnes has been handed over to the end client Equinor. The 3-core 145 kV HVAC cable from NKT, with a capacity of 55 megawatts, has low electrical losses, excellent tensile strength to withstand the harsh conditions of the North Sea, and includes 3 fiber optic links. The main cable, which is going out from Kolsnes, is connected to the Martin Linge platform. Furthermore, a 3.5 km long 7.5 kV infield cable was installed, including 500 meters of dynamic cable connecting the platform to a floating storage and offloading vessel (FSO) anchored outside the platform. The dynamic cable required intense engineering work, including extensive simulation of the design before starting the production. The cable was specifically designed by NKT to withstand the continuous movement due to the dynamic motion of the FSO vessel, induced by environmental impacts such as wind, waves and current. The cable underwent a comprehensive qualification program to meet the vast list of variables. The dynamic cable was finally configured in a reverse tethered wave configuration at approximately 120 meters water depth, which required buoyancy modules, hold-down and hold-back clamps to be fitted to the cable. The cable incorporates 4 layers of tensile armor and a bend stiffener at the interface to the FSO vessel to protect it from overbending. The infield cable parts were jointed and tested at the factory before being laid on the seabed, ready for pull-in to the platform and in the other end, suspended to a submerged buoy, ready to be brought up to the FSO vessel. A large number of interfaces within the project required a well-organized and efficient management from the various involved NKT specialists. With regards to the extraordinary high focus on health and safety, the project went very smooth, with great prevention work done already before the actual project execution. For example, before and during the production of the cable, an intense inspection of the machine line by 8 people took place to avoid and eliminate any HSE and quality issues. Furthermore, HSE reports were implemented into the regular shift handovers during execution, so toolbox talks were a fixed part of every handover. The main cable was produced in 2 sublengths before being loaded onto the installation vessel at the NKT factory in Karlskrona. Due to its long length, the cable was installed in 2 campaigns and connected with a rigid field joint and installed at water depths reaching down to 358 meters. The power from shore solution will reduce the environmental impact while lowering the levels of weight, noise, vibrations and maintenance work. Overall improved working conditions on the platform, which is remotely controlled from shore via the fiber optics link, all made possible by the in-house capacity, competence, experience and pioneering work at NKT, which has broken new ground, kept health and safety at the highest levels and delivered a world-unique dynamic cable and a world record-length AC cable system. NKT, bringing power to life.